What is up? What is up, guys? It's Riz back with another video, baby. Yeah. Today, what I got for you guys is it's a beat challenge. I'm gonna try to make a beat without a melody. Yeah, so it's just gonna be drum sounds. I'm really trying to push myself with my music, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. Before we get into this, can you guys go ahead and give me a thumbs up to support the channel and subscribe and push that notification bell so you can be notified next time I drop a video. Also, if you want to stay up to date with me on social medias, they're all linked down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Alright guys, so I already finished the beat and got a little nice mix on it. Right now what I'm gonna do is show you guys some of the effects that I put on some of the tracks. I tried to keep it minimal. I don't really like to do too much to my instrument, so let's go ahead and get into it. As you guys can hear, that was some of my beat. So I have a total of 11 tracks for this beat. We're gonna start by looking at the 808. Since there's not really a particular melody in this track, I just wanted it to really be like 808 heavy. You can see I obviously tuned it. You know, told you guys I like to take the loop off my samples. I have the 808 meter right now because I'm obviously recording my vocals. But as you can see, I really don't have anything on this 808, and I believe it's the same for this too. It's like the same two plugins. What I did with my EQ, I went in and just cut out a little bit of that mud at 29 hertz. Then I cut out some of the high end just because I feel like it was clashing with some of the other instruments. I believe I copied this same EQ to the next one. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure I copied the same Camel Crusher for both of them as well. I like to use the British Clean preset. This is what my little knobs look like. Moving on to my next couple of instruments. So for this beat, I didn't really do anything for the claps. I do have an EQ here, but honestly there's nothing on it, and there's nothing on this one either. Sometimes I just like to plan ahead of time and I'll just put effects on there. The tom has nothing. See, look at me, I didn't even name that one. I'm gonna go ahead and name that one for you guys right now. Okay, so this is a Vox breath. Only thing that I put on this one, I boosted it in the 3400 area, cut out around the 200 hertz area, and I rolled off some of the top end at 20k. Next thing I did was put some delay on there. This is a 1/4 delay. Cut out some of the feedback just at the level, this spread on the diffusion, and then I adjusted this little knob right here to bring it down because I didn't want it to be too reverby. And then I put a nice little reverb on it. You know, little low cut, boosted the room size a little bit. And I played with these. Honestly guys, it's really just about how you want it to sound in your mix. These are not going to be the same exact settings for every song. These things are going to change, so you don't have to copy that. For my hi-hats, I went ahead and did the same thing. I copied and pasted the same effects to all of them. EQ, boost at the 5k, cut out at the 200, and then I put a fruity fast distortion on them to just give them a little bit more aggression. The hi-hats, I already know hi-hats are like super aggressive, but I feel like with trap music, like you gotta have attitude, bro. So yeah. And then the last thing would be my open hats. My open hats, a little EQ, boost at the 39, I can't see guys, 3900 hertz, and then the roll off at the low end at 237. The delay, I didn't turn that wet knob down. If you've seen it, it was all the way up at 100. This is on 1/8 for the time. Adjusted the cut, the level. Love to use this little diffusion level and spread. And that is about it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and play the rest of the beat at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Thank you, guys.